Hello everyone, Bolson Ski here, Snapjam Woodworks back into the reloading room today. And if you are new to the channel, my reloading room is my enclosed back porch we refer to as a sunroom. So the fall of 2019, I moved everything out of here, out of my wood shop. There's a video on that, and it's my messy reloading bench. It was working for me for reloading, but for gun cleaning it wasn't. To take the press off, stow the press, take the riser off, clean off the top, get my guns out, clean them. It was just annoying, so I decided to make a gun cleaning bench, and this is what we have here today. So even though with these high prices of wood this past year, I've only used a couple of 2x4s and a 2x6, and then the rest of the plywood I had scrapped up in the shop. So construction is a knockdown kind of design. Matthias Wandel's got a video for a workbench that he built with through dowels, which is I have dowels down here, and it's going to screws kind of holding all together, and some furniture bolts here. I can take it all apart, take the stretchers off, and the top comes off, the hutch comes off, and it's easier to move around if we when we move out of the house. So painted it red and black to match the reloading bench. The reloading bench was painted red and black to match my Craftsman tool chest that was in the garage. So I went with the same theme. You know, kind of did it on the cheap a little bit. I had some, like I said, wood left over in the shop. The edge banding here on the tabletop, that's poplar that I got from a local place here that has axe throwing. They put their targets out on the side of the building, so I planed it all down. I got some nice pieces of edge banding here. This hutch I made kind of a specific purpose, hold a paper towel holder, hold these boxes where these Harbor Freight tool boxes where I keep my gun cleaning and knife sharpening, and spray cleaners. A little drawer here, 9mm pull, nice little touch, and I got some tracks in here so I can put the vise on there to hold up the ARs and stuff when I'm working on them. So that's it. It's my gun cleaning bench. Shout out to Memo, friend and fan of the channel. All right, thanks for stopping by.